I think I've given everyone my secret to coming round late at night when I'm not invited, is with a cake in my hands.
I'm afraid for the ding-dong. I'm slightly nervous. But I'm looking forward to the cake.
Well, the cake will be delicious.
Yes.
What you'll probably do is tell me to leave the cake on the front door.
And please leave.
And go away. There we go.
Yes.
Now, into my little sifter here, I've put 1 cup of flour, and it's self-raising flour because I want that lift and that fluffiness, very much like me. And into that, I'm going to put some cocoa. This chocolate fudge cake is rich. It's lovely. This is the sort of cake that if you got a dinner party, you would have dinner, and then get up from the table, go into the kitchen, make this up. By the time you've cleared the table, put everything in the dishwasher,
Wow.
the cake will come out of the oven and
Okay.
be ready to eat. A little bit of baking powder,
Yes.
because you want that extra bit of lift.
Yep.
And then all we need to do is sift it. Now, would you like me to
No,
tap it?
you go for
I'll
it.
go straight into it.
We both know what happens with me in a sifter.
It'll go everywhere.
Yes.
Now, I like to sift the flour and everything together, take away any little lumps that are there and give it a nice, smooth appearance when it all lifts up and becomes nice and fluffy. Last little bits go through there.
Yep.
It's smelling good already.
It is. It's like right in my pharynx.
Now, in goes some sugar because we love some sweetness. And, of course, some melted butter goes in there as well.
Okay.
Because that makes it taste good also.
So this is decadent. We're talking pure decadence indulgence here.
It's chocolate cake.
Yeah.
You can call it
I
whatever you
say
want.
if you're going to do it, go hard.
Exactly.
Do it
That's what
properly.
I say as well. That's the best way to do it, I
Yeah.
say. Now, I've got some milk here, and I'm going to put half a cup of milk straight in here, right off the top here like that. Do you remember the days, you probably don't, when the milk used to be delivered
I
by
don't.
horse and cart?
No, I think you're much older than me, friend.
Not by much. There we
Not
go.
by much.
I'll hand that over there like that.
Okay.
I remember chasing the horse on the cart around, and we'd hop onto the back of it, and the milkman would let us go around for a couple of blocks and then tell us to get off.
Okay.
In goes an egg there as well. And then I've got a whisk over there. I want
Yes.
you to start whisking it together until it comes together to a nice, thick batter. That's what we're looking for.
Beautiful.
And what I've got here is a souffle dish, but you can use any sort of dish you want. But what I've done is I've lined it with some butter and then just dusted some flour around.
Okay.
And that helps to coat the outside of it so that nothing sticks to it.
Yep.
That's coming together beautifully.
Yeah, lovely.
Now, at this stage here, I'm
Yes.
going to grab that whisk off you. Now, I love this part. Just taking all of the chocolate batter off it. You can see it's coming off like that, nice and easily.
Yep.
You can tap it as well if you want to, but they say that it damages the whisk, so you don't want to do that.
Oh, that's why you don't do it.
Well, you can.
Oh, I do it all the time.
Nice and gently like that, but it also makes a noise that gets
Yes,
everyone excited.
it's a little bit irritating, yes.
And this is the best part, Priya.
Happy place for you.
I love that.
Good.
Oh, and then with a spatula, I just spoon out that batter. You can see it's quite thick, this
I was
batter.
going to say it is very thick, but you can smell that chocolatey goodness. The butter, the chocolate, it's all in there.
There's nothing better than that. And with the back of the spatula, I just spoon it around to cover the bottom. You want to spread it out right to the edges like that, just spinning it around. This is my fun job in the entire world. This is my happy place.
Yes.
This is my chocolate realm, isn't it?
Oh, your realm. I like it.
I can be the
Nice
king
word.
and you can be the queen. How's
okay.
that? Now, that's ready to go like that. But to make the chocolate fudge sauce that goes with it, I've got some boiling water here. This is about a cup of boiling water, and I'll add to that some castor sugar that'll make it nice and delicious. Some brown sugar in there. And if you
Okay.
can pass me that cocoa
Yes.
and the coffee, pour it straight in. In
Oh,
it
that's
goes.
coffee. I wondered what that was. It's coffee.
Instant coffee.
Nice.
I've made this before with coffee granules, the actual
yeah.
coffee. Or if you don't have instant coffee, you can make yourself a little espresso or double espresso or
Pour it
even
in.
a cafe latte, pour it in,
Okay.
and off you go.
Okay.
Now I'll spread this around here like that and then just carefully pour it over the top. And you'll find that this will become part of the fudge and make it nice and delicious.
Gooey, I'm envisioning.
Saucy, gooey, but we better bake it. 160 degrees Celsius, about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on the type of dish. It'll come out of the oven and be ready to eat. Hot and tasty chocolate fudge pudding straight out of the oven.
I can smell it. It is just chocolate. Oh, my goodness. Decadence galore.
Icing sugar on top.
Yes.
You need icing sugar.
Yeah, no,
All right.
I agree with you. I think if you're going to go there, I think you just do it properly.
Use it like you stole it. Use it like it's your last day on earth. Now pick that up like that. Oh, you look at that gooey chocolate
Look at
sauce
the
underneath.
gooiness. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh, we're not finished yet.
No,
Some
I can see
sauce
this.
all over there.
Holy moly, you're just making your happy noises.
This is one of the best things in the entire world. Lots of chocolatey goodness.
Yes.
Nice scoop of sour cream to help cut
that.
cut through the chocolate. You need that, don't you?
Yeah,
and then a
beautiful.
little mint leaf on the side there. A cracking little dessert.
Oh, more icing sugar. Okay.
Well, we just got to do this
Yeah,
properly.
okay, fine. I think enjoy a little bit of it. Enjoy it mindfully. Don't eat it every single day, ideally. Not great for your glucose, your cholesterol, just everywhere. I'll have
Look
some
at that.
too. Okay.
We'll tuck into that. That looks like a cracking little dessert. Lots of sauce in there, and you've got that light, soft, chocolatey fudge cake on the top of it.
I'm going to do a bit of sour cream too. Okay.
How's that?
Very rich, very decadent. I really love it. Like, I do love that. I just wouldn't eat it every day. I really like the sour cream. Something a bit different cuts through. I really like it.
You could have every second day, couldn't you?
You could.
Yeah,
Ideally not.
maybe.